What is going on, guys? In this video, I want to show you guys how you can improve your FaceTime calls with this secret accessory. Now, I think the issue with most FaceTime calls is they're not cinematic. We just had a chance to watch the Mario movie and just imagine every scene as a close-up. It just wouldn't be that interesting if we just seen Mario's big face in every single shot. But most FaceTime calls today are just close-ups. Now, the secret accessory is called the sticky magnetic wall mount for MagSafe iPhones, and I picked this one up off of Amazon, and I'll leave a link below where you can check it out if you're interested. So to install this, you first have to find a location to dry fit that magnetic mount in your iPhone. So that's the first thing you need to do. And you do this by turning on. So the first thing you want to do is turn on the front facing camera and place it in your desired location. Just make sure it's a flat surface and just make sure the front facing camera is on and facing outward. Now this part is extremely important since we want to be checking for composition. Now, if you're not sure exactly what composition is, there is a ton of videos on YouTube that will educate you on what composition is for video. But the most popular ones, if I'm not mistaken, is framing, rules of thirds. I think depth is another one. And then another one is just making sure your video is centered on the subject. Last thing we want to do is stick the magnetic puck in your desired flat, clean surface. And you do this by removing this back liner here of the magnetic puck. And you can place this magnetic puck on a window, like a glass window, a wall. You can even put it on an appliance in your home, like a refrigerator or something to that extent. That's just a few, but there's probably other locations in your car and so forth. I would say just make sure it's secure, and then you want to go ahead and mount your MagSafe iPhone to free up your hands for those FaceTime calls. And I just love this magnetic because it's just so convenient. I just pop my phone on the magnetic puck and then I can get to my FaceTime calls. Now, and there's other uses that you can use this magnetic puck for. My wife uses it to follow recipes while in the kitchen. And even as a content creator, you can use this to record your content. You can just place the puck in places that you normally would shoot your videos, and you don't have to worry about a tripod or anything to that extent. You just grab your iPhone and keep it moving. Furthermore, if you have an Apple Watch, you can just press record from your Apple Watch to start recording for content creators. Now, there's one other place that you can put this magnetic puck, and that's in the bathroom. And you can, watch some YouTube while you take care of business, I guess. Now, this was just a quick video. I hope, me sharing this with you guys was beneficial. As a dad, I'm always trying to get everyone in the family on like the FaceTime action. And I'm able to do this now in just one single shot. Now, just a quick side note, and this is kind of important. If you are a few feet away from your iPhone, you might want to pull out those AirPods because the AirPods have the mics in them, and you also have you can listen to the person who's speaking. So just kind of keep that in mind. You might need to whip out those AirPods if you're too far away. Otherwise, Apple Fan Dad, we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers, and I need your help. So like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.